Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be taking another look at that classic American song, the Battle Hymn of the Republic, and how to play it on a chromatic harmonica. Here is a chromatic harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours isn't in the key of C, because it's the numbers that are important. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into the harmonica. But when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your harmonica. Sometimes you might need to press this button on the right-hand side of your chromatic harmonica, but don't worry, I'll tell you when to do it. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 3 4 times. Breathe in through 2. Blow into 2. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. Breathe in through 3 3 times. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Blow into 2. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1. Phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's move on to phrase 7. Blow into 5. Breathe into 5 twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 8, blow into 3. Breathe in through 2. Blow into 2. Blow into 3. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 9, breathe in through 3. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. And blow into 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 10 is exactly the same as phrase 8. And phrase 11 is exactly the same as phrase 7. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.